Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about filters on Freelancer. So guys, a filter means not filter on camera or on any picture clicking app. So filter means you have to set keywords on Freelancer. For the set filters you have to look at the left side on the screen. Here you will see filters. By using filters, all the project will match with your filters will be shown to you, and it is the very easiest way to find the job, find the project that you are looking for. So for the applying filters, you have to select carefully all the filters, because all the projects linked to your filters will be shown to your news feed. That will be easy to bid on a project that you are looking for. So here you have to define your project type. I am going to set it on fixed price. As you can see guys, all the fixed price project are visible on my screen, and now I'm going to set amount over here. Minimum $5, maximum $1200. So guys, as you can see, all the projects linked to these filters are showing on my screen. So guys, as you can see, all the uh, projects, these are linked to these skills are linked to these filters you can see on my screen. Here you can set hourly rate, and then you have to go with your skills. I keep graphic design, and then you have to select your listing type. I have markup on urgent. As you can see guys, all the job, these are urgent, as you can see on my screen. Now you can set your location, your client's country, and your language as well. So guys, as you can see, by using these filters, your work will be more easy to do, and the project that are linked to your filters will be shown, and you can get easily project that you are looking for. So guys, this is how to use filters on Freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.